Hi, Angel Chargers. Good afternoon. It's going to be 2 o'clock, 1:56. So I'm taking long, uh, doing like a video showing, how this works because I don't know. I seen a video from YouTube because I had to make sure it's the exact tripod of this one, not no other one, to know how it works. I'm not. I loosened the button, and I thought it would like expand, make it bigger, so you can hold the phone. It just doesn't. It stays like this, and I can't put my phone because it's too big. When I'm breathing, I'm getting stressed up. It's just it just drives me nuts. So when I figure this out, the tripod, I want to do like different steps to it, and I know people ain't gonna buy the same tripod, but just in case you do come upon it and you want to buy that one, and I'll let you know if it's good or not, that kind of stuff. So that's why I mostly want to do video, because I never did that before. But when I figure it out, I will be recording. Wasn't gonna record because I was so tired. Yesterday, I went with my son. I'm gonna be doing while I'm doing it. Hopefully, I could concentrate while talking. Put it like this because I don't know. Like it's not a big table. I can't put it like a tripod up there, and then maybe it could look down and see the stuff. Blah blah. So I'm gonna be doing just start this again of the. I'm gonna be putting this back, filling it up for Easter. So yesterday, my son decides, because I was busy trying to organize and make sure I clean, sweep, mop, all that stuff. Because today they were coming to inspect our rooms. They didn't even call, and I don't even know if they're coming or not. Well, 3 o'clock. 2 o'clock. Yesterday, my son wanted me to go with him to the mall. I said, all right, because he wanted to get my sneakers. So he bought me my pink and white Converse sneakers. Too close, right? The basket. All right. I'm going to put the grass in it. No, I'm still not sure if I should put little toys in it. Girls and boys, let's see. We'll see. So we left at 3 something or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We ended up over there maybe by 6 something in the mall. And thank God I got my pink and white Adidas sneakers. Thank you, Joel. I always thank him for everything he gets me. He's the one who wanted to do it. It's not. I didn't tell him to buy me stuff. He just wants to. So if he wants to, I'm not gonna complain. Since he's a baby, I'd be spoiling him to death. So why not? Wants to spoil his mama a little? Why not? Then we went to the sneakers. I bought them in Rack Room Shoes. I told you I was gonna go, and thank God they were there. I got a 9.5. It fits good. It's a little big, but I'd rather big than too tight. All right, where's the grass? I'm gonna use my new one that is scented like candy, the pink one. Oh, went far away. Small basket. After we went there, he wanted to go outside of the mall because they have the supermarket, Lidl, whatever that's called. We wanted to check it out. We got some snacks, a little, not much. and getting me sweet and salty popcorn. He got himself the, the tortilla chips. Um, he wanted that, and he bought all cheese, dry cheese, the cheddar mild, and mix full of nuts in a can, and the mixed peanuts, and that's it, I think. Then he went to Best Buy, but he didn't find anything. He wanted to make sure he got the right like laptop, because he wants to get like new stuff for his gaming channel. He wants to do it. In YouTube, I said go for it. I've always wanted him to do that since he was little, because he's always played video games. But I'm hoping I even let him know it'd be cool if he later on creates his own video games and stuff like that. So he's very smart, internet and all that stuff. After that, we went to Chipotle. We ended up going there. I was worried it was closed, and no, there were a few people there. Oh my god, it smells so good. It really smells like candy. Oh man, want to smell it? Oh man, it smells heavenly. It smells like the powder. You know the powder with the white the hard white it's like I call it like a spoon. You know what candy I'm talking about? You put that little white stick and you're dipping it with the powder. That's the one. That's the one. Oh my god, it smells like that. All right, so I'm gonna take some, and I will have to cut it because it's not gonna. It's gonna be a lot. Let's see how I'm gonna do this. And make like grass. See everything on fall. It's gonna fall. I know it. I don't want to get out of my hand. Sticky. Come on. Gotta move this out of the way. Really hard. It's thick to cut it. Okay. Some of it is like coming out of the hole. What is going on here? It's like a party of mess. I'm gonna do it along. I think that's good. See how we did it. Alright. Some of it is on the floor. Who cares? Sweep it later. It's hard you see the whole inside, see it from afar, me putting the stuff, and then when I'm done, I'll show you the results. Let's see, I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I'm gonna unbox cars, Hot Wheels. I'm gonna put two. Oh, you can see what that like lime, kind of yellow or green, whatever. And this light blue. I wonder for the girls what I'm gonna put in. That's small. Today, buy something, so I have a doctor's appointment. And tomorrow, I'm not gonna mention it. Just I don't go there. It's only one place that I have a hard time going. I'm okay with Brooklyn and Staten Island. What's a place I have a hard time going? Like, it's like I got a fear, so much anxiety, dread, I don't know. It's happening. It's everywhere, everything. The train, and parades. It's like you can't be safe anywhere. Look awesome. Can't even show you. Hold on. Make sure they don't come out of the plastic before I take them out. Oh, cool. Yeah, that's okay. They look dark. Hopefully you can see it good. I decorated a little on my bookshelf. Here's a black one. It looks a little like Batman car. Ooh, Joker, oh my god. It is sick. It is sick. Ooh. Look how sick it is. Awesome. Awesome. I'm putting that one in the egg. I'm torn between this one, Penguin. And the Batman car, but I guess I'm gonna have to use Batman car. This, because it's with Catwoman. Let's talk about the cars and they don't even fit. Oh man. I bet the cloud won't fit either. Let me see. Cloud with a rainbow. No, it's the same size. Yeah. Not gonna fit. Man. So close. Alright. What other stuff I'm gonna put? I had a box with little things in it. Let me check that out. I have a lot of boxes with little toys, but check in here if I have anything good for boys and girls in this box. More cars. Oh man. Wow, the light closed. Oh, wow. Let me close it. I thought I was seeing things I was recording. Why has it happen when I'm recording? And now it's like dark.
I'm gonna say, hopefully, that you won't do either thing, but hopefully.
No, it was. I'll check again what I seen in the closet.
Yeah,
I come back. I don't want to waste time.
I'm so scared.
Recording and. Fine, close this. The light I just connected it. The little light bulb in the bathroom. I gotta remember that light in the bathroom. Gotta disconnect it. Man, that means we don't got light. I don't even know how to do any more recording. The thing's stressing me out. Jeez. So all these are in the box. I'm recording.
No.
Huh?
You could record there now?
I'm recording.
But I thought you said because the light went off.
I know it's dark, but I still have light here. Should I stop it because it looks dark? I don't know. I'll do a different video. Angel Treasures, comment down below if you want me to continue doing a different video of me doing the basket, or does it look too dark here in the room knowing I don't have my light, the light's closed right now. I don't know what's going on, really. There's always something happening in the project. So before it was the heater of the heat and stuff, and I'm not sure if they're coming for inspection. They didn't call. I don't know.